Hi, my name is Tony, and if you are watching this video, it's probably not by chance. Something inside you may feel off, something may feel tired, heavy, or silently suffering. And I know that place very well because I have been there too, you see. For years, I lived from the perspective of the ego, an eternally dissatisfied voice, always needing validation, you see, always chasing the next achievement, the next experience, the next version of myself. And I believed happiness was somewhere out there, in success, in recognition, in relationships, in experiences, in material things, and yet something was always missing. No matter how much you accumulate money, success, comfort, even fame, the ego is never fulfilled. It always asks, what's next? So you could own all the wealth in the world, be admired by millions, and still feel empty inside, empty within, you see. That's why so many people who seems to have everything are deeply unhappy. They try to escape the emptiness through distraction, alcohol, drugs, constant stimulation, and too often it leads to depression or even despair. So because the truth is simple but uncomfortable, nothing in this world can satisfy the ego. Life then becomes very intelligent. It will keep shaking you again and again, sometimes gently, sometimes violently, until one day you stop running forward and you turn inward. You begin to question. You begin to investigate. And even if right now you feel lost, broken, or in the darkest place of your life, nothing is happening by chance. There is a reason, even if the mind doesn't understand it yet, even if you feel like a victim. Life is not pushing you, it's calling you. Suffering is not against you, it's a grace in disguise, you see, because it pushes you toward the only place where truth can be found. Not in front of you, not in the next experience, but within you. And so here's the real invitation. When suffering appears, ask yourself, is there truly someone here to whom all of this is happening? What is this person you believe yourself to be? Look closely, please. Investigate within yourself. What if I told you that you are dreaming, you are daydreaming, even while awake? Because most people live inside thoughts, inside story of past and future, and rarely here, rarely now. But when you were a child, you lived in presence. No obsession with yesterday, no anxiety about tomorrow, no heavy sense of me. You didn't lose that state. It was never lost. It's simply been covered by layers and layers of conditioning, by identification, by the endless whirlpool of thoughts. The so-called lost paradise is still here, I promise, waiting to be remembered. And remembrance is possible. Remember what you truly are, you see. You are not your past, nor the imagination of a future. You are not an evolving narrative about a fictional character called me. You are much more than this. You are that which is already free. The consciousness that has always witnessed your life, your experiences, your joys, your struggles. The one who sees all of this is untouched by it, you see. Through identification with thoughts, emotions, sensation, and the body, this truth was gradually forgotten. The natural presence that was obvious in childhood became obscured. This is what I share here on this channel. Not beliefs, not philosophies, but a direct invitation to awaken to what you already are. And if something resonates deeply, if you feel that quiet yes inside, then know this, please. You don't have to walk this path alone. On my website, there is a space to go deeper. You can book a one-to-one session with me, or explore a structured course I have created step by step, gently, to relax the seeker, to relax you, and reveal what has always been present. Is the course I wished existed when I was searching. As I walk through my own journey, I often wish for something simple and clear, a gentle guide that spoke directly to experience without complexity or spiritual noise, something practical, something I could integrate into the movement of daily life. So I created the course I would have wanted at that time, a soft structure, gradual path rooted in presence and simplicity, a path anyone can practice anywhere in moment of parenting, work, stillness, movement, effort, or ease, while working, breathing, cooking, or simply meeting life as it is. Every journey is unique, but awakening is universal. If you feel the calling, this space is here for you. All the details are in the description below. So thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. And most of all, thank you for your courage to look within. Much love.